I don't even see my own family. I don't even see my own husband.
Hi.
Yeah, it's tough, right?
Yeah. We just come and go.
You're such a good puppy.
Hello, goodbye.
You're such a good puppy. Oh, Dan, you love your pup? You love your puppy?
Lay down. Down. Good boy.
It's here for July.
Dan's at school.
Where's that supposed to go?
This is Dan's school. It's so quiet in
I
here.
have no idea how that works.
It's because there's no therapist in here.